good evening. My name is Hal Bender. I'm the principal here at GC Burkead. It's been an exciting day for us. We had our kindergarten kickoff this morning at 9 o'clock. We had about 120 brand new faces. It was very exciting. The kids in kindergarten, they had a bus ride, they had a miniature lesson, they got a snack. And then tonight we've had our open house from 5:30 to 7. Several new faces, a lot of faces that came back. So we're all excited to start the new year.
Hello, my name is Suzanne Parrott. I'm with the GC Burkead Family Resource Center. You can reach us inside the school at the front office, or you can call at 270-737-0896. We're here at Open House at GC Burkead, and we are promoting our Watchdogs program, which is a volunteer program initiative for fathers. We are also helping out with school supplies and any other back-to-school needs. So if you need any assistance from the Family Resource Center, just give us a call.
Hello, I'm Amy Beth Lockwood. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist. I work with the Next Step Counseling Services. We offer school-based services throughout many schools in Hardin County. You can call us at 270-765-2335 if you've got some questions about that. And we offer a variety of services in the schools and also in our office. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mary Ellen O'Daniel, and I am with Communicare, and we provide therapeutic services here at GC Burkead. I am the school-based counselor here, and I provide therapy services for the students here 1 day a week. Our agency also provides things like case management, peer support services, and connections to the community. You can contact Communicare by calling 270-769-5301, or you can reach out to your youth family resource center, and they will be able to connect you with us.